5 Best Video Doorbell. Here is the product number 5. 7-inch Video Door Phone Intercom System. Built-in microphone supports bidirectional communication between indoor monitor intercom and outdoor doorbell. Ultra-clear sound quality without any noise. Support the connect and delay function. Electrical lock to this system. With this function, you just need to press the unlock button on monitor. Support adjust the time between lock and unlock. So, make you more safety. Here is the product number 4. 7-inch monitor 1200 TVL doorbell. With G-Tone 7 inches wired video door phone system, visitor can use call panel calls, then you use indoor monitor unlocking, monitoring, taking pictures and recording video. Touch sensor button, acrylic wired drawing panel. Indoor monitor is made of acrylic wire drawing panel and TFT display, very elegant design, it adopts advanced touch technology. Here is the product number 3. EKEN V5 Video Doorbell Smart Wireless. Features: 3 18,650 specification batteries. Million HD pixels collocated with 166-degree wide-angle lens. Support mobile phone remote fast wake-up device within 1 second. High-quality two-way talk with noise cancellation. Support promotion detection. When someone hovers at the door, immediately alerts push notifications to the mobile phone. Here is the product number 2. HomeFong Video Doorbell Home Intercom Video. Motion sensor detect record videos. Dual-way intercom, call transfer among monitors. Monitoring outside without pressing doorbell call button. Support analog camera connected, electronic lock connected. Support images, videos playback, support external maximum 32 GB memory card. Doorbell camera, CCTV camera preview. Here is the product number 1. Smart IP Video Doorbell 7-inch. Function and characters of IP7 Home Intercom System. Remote unlock. You can answer, hear and speak to the visitor when he press the doorbell, and unlock the door both on monitor or phone app. Multiple intercom. Up to 2 doorbells can be connected with 4 indoor monitors. Monitors can transfer call and communicate with each other. Connect camera can connect 2 cameras at the most.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe this channel. Drop a like, comment and share.